Okay, so today I had a request for Lunch and Learn to go into, can you see my screen, by the way, or no?
No.
Can't. Back over here, share screen. How about now?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. All right, so before we go into the HGAR and do a search, is everybody familiar with Google Drive? You have a Google Drive?
Yeah.
Yes.
You do? Okay, so good. I mean, I have a folder here for every single agent. I just want to, so you can see every single agent got their own folder. That's agent folder. But also in the Drive, we've got a real estate folder, and we've got every agent that's actually got clients in here. Here's all the people that Jenny's working with currently, minus this one. These are all active clients, right, Jenny? There's a difference between waste of time and put them on hold, right? So we've all got an on hold folder. Let's go find Vicky and Katrina.
Can you go to the,
and we've got an on hold folder, right? So you can take clients that you said, you know what? As for this one right here, oh no, he's active. See this one right here? Oh no, he's on hold. Okay, grab it. And you dump it into the on hold folder. That means these people are not a lost cause. They're still, in the woodwork. Somebody says, I'm not ready for another year and a half. We don't need to leave those out. We dump those into an on hold folder so that you're going to still keep them in your CRM and stay current with them, but we don't need to have them in your face, because I have to get an idea of what's actually real clients and what's not, because I'm trying to, running a business here, need to know who's doing what. All right.
So we go to My Drive
sense?
Real Estate, My Drive and Real Estate, and that's where I could find my folder.
I'm sorry, say it again, Jenny, you chopped up.
No, I'm just trying to figure out how I go to my folder. So I just go to My Drive, Real Estate, and then
You're
that's where
going to, you don't have let me see if you're on here on the share button.
Where are you? In HGAR?
No, I'm in Google Drive.
Oh, well, how do I
All right,
get
so
there?
Jenny, I'm sending you a invitation to your folder. I don't know why you're not in here. You might have updated your folder. All right, so you now got an invitation. So you can go in here, Jenny, and you can add. And if something you don't want on here or something out, well, you tell me, right? Everybody should have Google Drive anyway for yourself to keep track of everything. I have everything on here. I don't even have so much as a photograph at my house because everything's on. Every single thing. I mean, I pay for 200 gigabytes of storage. But so now, Jenny, you can go in here and say, Harlan Wilson, he's not a lost cause. So you dump him in the on hold folder, right? You don't want to lose him because he may come up later. If it's somebody like Harlan Wilson is like, oh, forget it. That guy, he's either found something else on his own, then just dump him. But if you found a regular tenant, a place to live, that's somebody that you're going to continue to reach out to forever. You should also, if you do have a folder here for yourself, not necessarily for me, but if you have your own folder for each one of these clients, every time you spend money for that client, put it in the folder. You should also have, I'm just giving you some of what I do. Here's my Drive. Here's my 2024 folder. I have a folder every year. I open a new folder and I put all my receipts in here. It's not just in this folder. It's the client that we send it to as well. So if we're looking at where we spent the money, we keep track of everything.
I'm sorry.
No.
Is this instead of using the notes, or is this because I was asking yesterday, where do we put like our clients, our potential clients, and all the places like we've showed them and done like that?
Right.
And they said, so this would
That's
be
going to go into a client folder. Click on new and make a new folder. And here's a folder. What do I want to name it? I want to make it 2024 receipts.
Okay, gotcha.
Right. And then create that. So now there's your receipt folder. I'm going to delete it because I already have one, because I already know what it is. And then I take that at the end of the year and I dump that into my RERPC. That's the name of my corporation, Real Estate Resources Pro Corp. And then if I go in here, see, look, 2017, 18, 19.
Oh,
20
cool.
right through 23.
Mm-hmm.
So now everything goes in there at the end of the year, next year, when this folder's full, I can go in there and make a 2025 folder. Okay.
Okay.
And it's
Mm-hmm.
really easy to do. If you need help on Google Drive, this is pics. This is my personal pics. Every
Yes.
picture I've got categorized: kids, family,
Yes.
in-laws, every picture we ever had. If somebody says, "Oh, look at this picture I found in a drawer," I scan it and I throw it in here.
Mm-hmm.
And in the frequently used document folder, see everybody's on here. Okay. So here we have, anytime you deal with a buyer, you go in buyer docs folder. Everything we
Mhm.
need, you'll see there's one in Spanish, all the different disclosures right here.
Mm-hmm.
Back in here we go to, if you're dealing with a seller, if you're dealing with a landlord and tenant. I didn't make a separate one for landlord and tenant, but this is all connected in there. If you're dealing with a commercial stuff, email campaigns, if you didn't know what to do and what to send anybody, here's all different emails that you can send out for sale by owner, a new buyer. Please go in here, download everything. And we did also translated some disclosure here. Fair Housing and Agency, we translated into Spanish in case you have a client that feels more comfortable looking at it in Spanish. Where's letters? There it is, letter templates. So in here, all the different categories. You see a house that the owner doesn't live there, financing, holiday emails. What else do we have? Following new agent announcements. Anybody who's a brand new agent, whether you're a new agent saying I'm a new agent, you can go in here and modify it a little bit. If you're not a new agent, but you're, want to reintroduce yourself, come into letter templates and find something. You see an open house. What do I tell an open house? Go in an open house folder and look at all the different open house letters that you can find to send somebody. All right, a lot of stuff in here. All right, prospecting just out of the blue. Anything you want, right? Anything you want. Sentiments, that means, we want to send somebody holiday stuff. We got one for holidays too. Where's holidays? Right here. You got Father's Day, you got Mother's Day, you've got Christmas, Easter, Valentine's Day, Independence Day, Labor Day, something like, what do I say? Mother's Day. Oh my God, what do I say? There it is right there. All set up. You could just take it, copy, paste, or save it as a whatever. Just copy it, boom, and make your own. Or you can use the one we have set up. Okay. Here, this one's saying, I like depreciation. Here's a few ideas, whatever. You get the idea, but you got to look at it. I can't hold your hand and walk you through every one. Look how many for Mother's Day. Isn't Mother's Day coming up soon? Coming up soon, right? So every single person, you go through your whole list and you add them onto the Mother's Day as a blind copy. Everybody knows how to send out blind copy emails. So you send a happy Mother's Day. You can go in here and put in hit Mother's Day, and then go to images. Look at all the Mother's Day images. You can take this one, Happy Mother's Day, right click, copy image, or save image as, save it on your computer. Mother's Day. Now it's there. I own that picture now. So you take that email and you can send that picture, add it as an attachment, put it in the background of your email. Everybody knows how to do that? You need me to walk through that?
I appreciate
Okay.
it. Thank you.
You can even make this personalized. I don't know if you guys know how to do this, but you can right click on a photograph and open with paint. Watch this. Here it is. Hi,
Mhm.
happy Mother's Day. Right? Take that and make it bigger. Joe, it only goes to 72. Okay, well, 72 is pretty big. You want it any bigger than 72? Put in whatever number you want. 101.
That's beautiful.
There
Mhm.
it is. All right. You have to be able to do
I
some
didn't
of
see
these things. So
I didn't, I gotta explain with
I
that because I
just
didn't see that you.
personalize something. And now I'm going to save it. Let's go see it. See, look, see right there. Hi, Mary. Happy Mother's Day. You can do that. It takes a lot of work, to do that if you wanted to customize it, or you could just take that same one and do it that way. And let's go to Gmail. Can you see my screen, everybody? Okay, so let's compose a, come on, there we go. Okay, so now let's pick Samantha since she's right sitting in front of me. Happy Mother's Day. And I can go to find a picture. See this thing right here, insert photo. Is it going to look? It's going to look in my upload. That's right. This is easy peasy right here. Grab it. Look at that. Happy Mother's Day. See that? How easy that was?
I try to do this by myself, it never works.
You can go to blind copy as well, so that it doesn't, nobody else sees it, and you could send it to every single woman on your mail list. So you can go down the whole thing and said, okay, here's a female right here. Let's send it to her. Let's send it to Alan. Looks like a female to me. Let's send it to Amanda. Let's send it to Anna. And then insert all those names, and they don't know that you sent it to everybody. And they'll all get this as their own email from you. Happy Mother's Day. Isn't that nice? Yeah. So everybody should be doing that.
Okay.
Real important.
Last time I tried to do that, it did not work as well as it
Understanding.
I think
Okay.
you make it look much easier than it is.
Absolutely, because when I tried to do it,
Right?
No, he's got his
Yeah.
shoes.
Okay. There we go. All right. We get to mute somebody. All right. So everybody got the idea how to do that, no matter what holiday it is. So you could take that and take the words that we just saw from the Google Drive, Happy Mother's Day, and you can include some of this information on here, and you could just take that. You can still see my screen, right, everybody? So you come in here. Happy Mother's Day is almost here, but not forget special women in your life, blah, blah, blah. You could do that. Pick a different one, whatever.